Today's video is going to be replacing the thermostat on the Saturn Vue. And the thermostat, if you follow the lower radiator hose, that plug is on the thermostat housing, so that's what we're going to remove. We're going to go ahead and take off the intake so we have more room to get to the back. So here's your intake. On the passenger side bottom, there's a petcock right there. So go ahead and unscrew it to drain your radiator. And with that draining, go ahead and open up the reservoir cap. $10mm. Here's your housing, and here's your thermostat. You can see that the rubber O-ring deteriorated, and here we have our new one. Now we'll put in the thermostat. At the time of install, I can't find the torque, so I'm just going to snug them down. Alright, thermostat is replaced. Now we'll go ahead and throw the intake on and fill up the reservoir. Off camera. So I put everything back together, topped off the coolant with dex-cool, which it calls for. Now we're going to go ahead and start it. We're going to test for leaks. Since this doesn't have a temp gauge, I'm using my scan tool to keep an eye on the temperature. You're going to want to put the heat on so we can bleed the heater core system. And that's how you replace a thermostat on these Saturn Vues. Hopefully this video helps y'all. Y'all have a good one.